Do you have any tips to eat less sugar? So the first super important thing to talk about when we're thinking about sugar is being able to differentiate between naturally occurring sugar and added sugars. So naturally occurring sugars are going to be the sugar that are found naturally in a food. So the sugar that's naturally present in an apple, or the sugar that is naturally present in milk, and then they use that milk to make yogurt, for example. That is naturally occurring sugar. And this is different from added sugar, which is just refined sugar that's added into a product, like added sugar into a soda, for example, or added sugar into a muffin. So I heard a dietitian once say, judge sugar based on the company that it keeps. So if we look at that naturally occurring sugar from that apple, that sugar is, yes, it's sugar, technically the same molecule that's in the soda, but it is also packaged along with a whole bunch of other vitamins, a bunch of other phytonutrients that are really beneficial for your body, as well as a whole bunch of fiber. So the sugar is in really good company with lots of beneficial nutrients. Whereas if you look at the sugar that's in a soda, you're not getting any other beneficial nutrients along with that. You're just getting the sugar, you're just getting the calories. So I think that's the first thing, is differentiating between naturally occurring sugar and added sugar. Added sugar, you want to reduce how much added sugar you're consuming. Naturally occurring sugar, you don't really have to worry about it so much because it's bringing along all these other beneficial nutrients. Plus the fiber that you're eating with it at the same time is actually going to slow down the absorption of that sugar. So you're not going to get those huge blood glucose spikes that you would get if you were just drinking the straight sugar from a soda. So when it comes to added sugar, the Dietary Guidelines recommends having a cap of added sugar intake of 10% of your daily calories. So what does that actually mean in real life? So let's say that you are eating a pretty standard 2,000 calorie diet. 10% of your 10% of your daily calories would be 200 calories. So that's 50 grams of added sugar. Now, how much added sugar is in things? Well, one 12-ounce can of Coke has 65 grams of sugar. So way more sugar than is supposed to be your absolute max amount of added sugar you eat in a day. So when it comes to trying to reduce how much added sugar you're consuming, one thing that is really helpful now is that the Nutrition Facts panel is starting to state the grams of added sugar separately from the other sugar in a product. And so that's going to really be able to help you differentiate between naturally occurring sugars and added sugars on foods that come in a package. So you can always check the Nutrition Facts panel to see how much added sugar is in a product, and that can help guide you towards choices that perhaps have less added sugar in them. Also, if you're trying to reduce how much added sugar you're consuming, try and develop the habit of drinking less sugar-sweetened beverages. So if you're currently drinking soda, try to shift downward to drinking soda with alternative sweeteners and ultimately drinking non-sweetened beverages. And luckily these days there are so many super fun flavors and seltzers that are a really great healthy choice to replace the soda and the added sugar in your diet. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.